We are here today with Eric Lombardo, the bar manager at Mylino in New York City, and he is also a columnist for Food 52. He writes about cocktails, and he has a fun trick that he's going to show us today.
We're going to do some sabering.
Yes, savoring champagne.
Very exciting.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit more about the actual process.
Sabering is the process of opening a bottle of champagne without popping the cork. You basically use a blade. Traditionally it was a saber. That's why it's called sabrage or sabering. You're not actually cutting it. You're just running a blade up the side of the champagne bottle, and the pressure that is built up inside from that little strike is enough to pop the cork and actually the whole top ring of the bottle right off.
So is there a particular type of wine that you need to buy if you're going to saber your own bottle?
Yeah, you should use something made in what's called the traditional method or the méthode champenoise, the champagne method, because that's going to give you the greatest pressure inside of the bottle. You don't want to use Prosecco or anything done in the Charmat method.
Okay, no problem. So we're just going to ask our wine guy. Is
Ask
that okay with you?
Ask your wine guy.
And does it need to be cold?
It needs to be as cold as you can get it.
Okay.
You want to refrigerate it overnight, you want to put it in an ice bath, the whole 9 yards. It gives you a better pop.
So tell us, if you don't have a saber lying around the house, what else could you use?
Any kind of big, sturdy kitchen knife, will be fine.
So I guess we're going to stand back a little bit and let you have at it.
Awesome.
We'll cower in the background.
First, we want to make sure the bottles are dry. Feel the little seam where the bottle halves were joined together. That's where you want to focus your energy, your saber. Second, you want to make sure that the cage is off or adjusted. You can see if I just run my knife up this seam right here, it's going to hit metal. The metal is going to absorb a lot of the force that we're looking to capture. So you have to move that up a little bit so the cage is around the top part of this ring, and then we can just tighten it right back down. So now you have the cage kind of sitting prettily on top of the bottle, but it gives us that sweet spot where the seam connects to the neck. You want to hold the bottle between 30 degrees and 45 degrees, and you want to kind of take a couple of test strokes.
Wow. Nice. Look at that.
Nice work. That was worthy of a big toast. Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Cheers.